Environmental sustainability is essential for preserving the planet for future generations. It involves reducing pollution, conserving energy, and protecting natural ecosystems. Using renewable resources like wind and solar power plays a key role. Recycling and reducing waste are critical actions everyone can take. Governments must enforce environmental policies to promote global sustainability. Through collective efforts, we can ensure a healthier and more sustainable future. Greenhouse gas emissions are a major driver of climate change today. By switching to renewable energy, we can significantly reduce these emissions. Electric vehicles and public transport offer eco-friendly alternatives to traditional cars. Efficient use of energy at home helps lower carbon footprints. Governments must support green technologies to speed up the transition. Together, these changes can slow global warming and protect our planet. Water conservation is a critical aspect of environmental sustainability. Even though water covers most of the earth, only a small fraction is usable. Simple actions like fixing leaks and reducing water waste make a big difference. Agriculture can adopt water-efficient practices like drip irrigation. Industries should also work to minimize water usage and pollution. By conserving water, we ensure that future generations have access to this vital resource. Waste management plays a key role in reducing environmental damage. Reducing, reusing, and recycling help minimize the amount of waste sent to landfills. Composting organic waste also reduces landfill use and enriches the soil. Governments should promote recycling programs and limit single-use plastics. Individuals can adopt eco-friendly habits like using reusable bags and bottles. Effective waste management helps protect wildlife and keep ecosystems healthy. Waste management plays a key role in reducing environmental damage. Reducing, reusing, and recycling help minimize the amount of waste sent to landfills. Composting organic waste also reduces landfill use and enriches the soil. Governments should promote recycling programs and limit single-use plastics. Individuals can adopt eco-friendly habits like using reusable bags and bottles. Effective waste management helps protect wildlife and keep ecosystems healthy. Biodiversity is essential for maintaining ecological balance on Earth. Healthy ecosystems support human life by providing clean air, water, and food. Habitat destruction and pollution threaten many species with extinction. Protecting forests, wetlands, and oceans helps preserve biodiversity. Sustainable agriculture and reforestation programs can restore damaged ecosystems. Every action we take to protect biodiversity strengthens the planet's resilience. Sustainable agriculture focuses on producing food without harming the environment. Practices like crop rotation and organic farming preserve soil health. Reducing pesticide use helps protect both wildlife and human health. Buying locally grown produce supports sustainable farming practices. Governments can encourage farmers to adopt greener techniques. Sustainable food systems are crucial for long-term food security and ecosystem health. Urban planning plays a significant role in creating sustainable cities. Designing cities with green spaces and efficient public transport reduces pollution. Energy-efficient buildings minimize resource consumption and reduce emissions. Walkable cities encourage healthier lifestyles and reduce car dependency. Governments should invest in sustainable infrastructure for future generations. Smart urban planning can make cities greener and more livable. Transportation is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. Electric vehicles, biking, and walking are cleaner alternatives to traditional cars. Improving public transportation systems helps reduce the number of cars on the road. Carpooling and ride-sharing are additional ways to reduce emissions. Governments can support this transition by building charging stations for electric cars. Greener transportation systems are key to a sustainable future. Energy efficiency is one of the easiest ways to reduce environmental impact. Using energy-efficient appliances can lower household energy consumption. Switching to LED lighting is a small but significant step toward efficiency. Insulating homes reduces the need for heating and cooling, saving energy. Governments can offer incentives for energy-efficient home improvements. Energy conservation is a simple way everyone can contribute to sustainability. Climate change is one of the biggest threats to environmental sustainability. Rising temperatures and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent. To combat climate change, we must reduce greenhouse gas emissions globally. Investing in renewable energy and energy efficiency is essential to this effort. Governments should set ambitious targets for reducing emissions. The sooner we act, the better we can protect the planet from climate disasters. Renewable energy sources are the foundation of a sustainable energy future. Solar, wind, and hydropower offer cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. These sources emit little to no greenhouse gases, helping slow climate change. Investing in renewable energy infrastructure can create jobs and reduce pollution. Governments can offer subsidies to encourage the shift to clean energy. The transition to renewables is critical for achieving long-term sustainability. Deforestation is a major threat to biodiversity and climate stability. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Illegal logging and land clearing for agriculture destroy vital ecosystems. Reforestation and afforestation programs can help restore damaged areas. Governments must enforce laws to protect forests and reduce deforestation rates. Preserving forests is essential for both wildlife and climate health. Oceans play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. They absorb a significant amount of the world's carbon dioxide emissions. Overfishing and pollution threaten marine ecosystems and biodiversity. Sustainable fishing practices can help protect fish populations for future generations. Reducing plastic waste prevents it from entering the oceans and harming wildlife. Healthy oceans are vital for maintaining global climate stability and food security. The circular economy is a model that reduces waste by reusing resources. Products are designed to be repaired, reused, and recycled, minimizing waste. This approach reduces the demand for new materials and cuts pollution. Governments and businesses should promote circular economy principles in production. Consumers can support the movement by choosing durable, eco-friendly products. A circular economy is essential for reducing our environmental impact. Sustainable tourism aims to minimize the negative impacts of travel on the environment. It focuses on preserving natural and cultural heritage while supporting local economies. Eco-friendly accommodations and activities reduce the carbon footprint of travelers. Tourists can choose to visit destinations that prioritize sustainability and conservation. Governments can regulate tourism to prevent damage to ecosystems and landmarks. Responsible travel ensures that future generations can enjoy the same experiences. Sustainable fashion is an emerging trend that reduces the environmental impact of clothing. Fast fashion contributes to pollution and waste by encouraging short-lived trends. Sustainable brands focus on quality, durability, and ethical production practices. Consumers can make a difference by buying fewer, higher-quality clothes. Recycling and upcycling old garments also help reduce waste. Choosing sustainable fashion supports both the environment and fair labor practices. Education is key to fostering environmental awareness and action. Teaching sustainability in schools encourages young people to adopt eco-friendly habits. Environmental education helps students understand the impact of their choices. Governments should prioritize sustainability in curriculums to raise future leaders. Community programs can also promote environmental stewardship among adults. Through education, we can inspire global efforts to protect our planet. Global cooperation is essential for addressing environmental challenges. Climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss are issues that affect all nations. International agreements, like the Paris Agreement, unite countries in the fight for sustainability. Sharing technologies and resources helps developing countries adopt green solutions. Governments must work together to enforce environmental standards globally. Collaboration across borders is the only way to ensure a sustainable future for all.